Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to fix play button on League of Legends not right. So first you need to go to your task manager. Now go to details and press anywhere and search for out. So if you have any League of Legends application here, just end its task. Now what next you need to do is search for Riot. Now end all of these Riot client tasks. So you need to make sure that you have both of Riot and League of Legends applications turned off. Now go back to your League of Legends and try it. If you cannot do it still, then try it again. Try it for a few times and you'll fix the problem. Also try restarting your computer. It may help sometimes. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll meet you guys in the next video.